Checking your transaction history on Robinhood is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your trades and account activity. Follow these steps to access your transaction history. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your account. On the app, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. If you are using the website, look for the account icon in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Access the history section. Once you are in your account, scroll down to find the history section. This section contains all your past transactions, including buys, sells, and dividends. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transaction history by selecting specific time frames or types of transactions. Look for filter options that allow you to view transactions for today, this week, this month, or a custom range. Step 5. Review your transactions. After applying any filters, review your transaction history. You will see details such as the date, type of transaction, stock involved, and the amount. You can tap on individual transactions for more information. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Robinhood. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your investment activity.